Welcome, this is JAMB year 2016 government pass question. Question number 44 says citizenship of a state by descent dash. Option A is 1 is born and bred in the state. B, one's mother was born in the state. Option C, one's grandparents were citizens of that state. D, one is domiciled in that state. So citizenship by descent means that one is born and bred in a state. So this defines citizen by descent. So this one is also a citizen. Citizenship. Then this is also a citizenship. Citizenship. This defines citizenship and citizenship. They are just the same as by birth. So domicile means maybe by naturalization or registration. So option A is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.